Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Plum Skincare 3% Niacinamide with rice water. It's a toner basically. And I wanted to break down all the ingredients present in this particular formulation, and I wanted to tell you if it is really worth purchasing. All right, moving to the first ingredient, it's water. As it's a toner, it's basically should be lightweight. It cannot be very thick consistency. So the most of the concentration should be water. So over here, the water concentration is around 95% and more than that. And after that, there is 3% of niacinamide, as mentioned in the product description. So niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. This ingredient is really good for different skin benefits. It minimizes the pores, it helps with the fine lines, it helps with the blemish marks, it helps with improving the glow on your skin. So basically, it's a very all-rounder ingredient, which is a very potential and powerful ingredient. The third ingredient is the rice bran extract. So rice bran extract is high in antioxidant. It's also a humectant, helps with the hydration. So when I was seeing the different benefits of the rice bran extract, I even checked the concentration that can be used on the skin. So 5 to 10% of rice bran extract is being suggested as safe to be used on the human skin. Then there is pentylene glycol, which is a humectant, preservative, and a solvent. When you have different ingredients, you need a proper solvent that can, mix all the ingredients together. Then there is rose flower water. So I absolutely love rose water in general in my skincare. I love the Kama Ayurveda rose water. I have purchased it like thousands of times and I'm still a big fan of it. And other than that, over here, I wanted to know if it is a rose flower water extract, because sometimes it might have fragrance and it cannot be tolerated by all of the people. And also sometimes some people are allergic to some plant-based ingredient. So patch test is a must. Then there is rice ferment filtrate, which is also known as sake. It's a Japanese way of fermenting rice. It helps with the skin hydration. In Japan, there is like different skincare formulations where sake is used as one of the ingredients, and they show benefits. So I love this idea where they came up with a Japanese ingredient and added in the skincare just to show how it can be beneficial for you to improve your skin condition. Then there is oat kernel extract, which is antioxidant, helps to get rid of all the free radicals. If you're living in a polluted place, you need a skincare which has high amount of antioxidant because it removes the free radical, the pollutants from your skin, and it can make you look much more youthful and glowy. Then there is methyl glucet 20, which is a humectant. If you see the composition of this particular formulation, then there are numerous of humectant. And I found out that there is methylene glucet 20, sorbitol, a sugar which is also a humectant. Then after that, there is sodium gluconate, butylene glycol, panthenol. So these all are humectant. When I see a high number of humectant in the skincare formulation, I tend to drink a lot of water. One, to balance the humectant need to get attached to the water, because if the humectant doesn't get enough water from the surrounding, it starts to draw out water from wherever it can get it. So when you apply it on the skin, it tends to draw out water from the deep layers of your skin, which can lead to more dryness. The second thing that I do when I see like there is a lot of humectant in a particular skincare, I always damp my skin with the water and then apply it on my face. So the best time to apply this toner will be after your shower and when your skin is a bit damp, and that is when you have to apply this toner and let it dry a bit, and then go ahead with your serum, and at last top it up with your favorite moisturizer, which doesn't have any denatured alcohol as well as fragrance. If you look at the price point, it is 399 rupees, which is around 4 euros if I can recalculate it. And I think it is a genuine product. It doesn't have any comedogenic ingredient, and if you have acne prone skin, you can obviously use it. If you have a sensitive skin, you can even use it because it is 3% niacinamide. It's not in a higher percentage. There won't be any sort of redness or your skin becomes sensitive. It is just the right amount of niacinamide needed for your skin. What are my final thoughts about this skincare formulation is that I love the idea that they came with sake and added it as a skincare ingredient. It does have a lot of benefit with the hydration of your skin. So if I see the proper formulation of this toner, I think that this toner was made for the hydration, like layered hydration. If we want to achieve that, then this is the one that we have to go and purchase. I really love this product. I think it's very cheap and cost effective. If you want to go and purchase it, definitely go and purchase it. If I'm coming to India, which I will be soon going in the month of November, I'm definitely gonna go and purchase this product because I really want to try it out because it seems promising. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And also make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as it helps my channel to grow. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.